Hello everybody and welcome to an unboxing video. In this video we're going to be first giving a huge shout out to our boy Johnny Summertime. Johnny Summertime, you've been around for years in the shows off and on, and it was so sweet of you to send us a little care package. The fact of the matter is we still haven't gotten our genetics back. So one, Felicia Casper, Skimpy Limpy, and Milo Grow Genetics, they were the ones who reached out to us and sent us some beans to start. That's what we got going now on the current little grow that we've got. But Johnny Summertime, my friend Johnny Summertime, a longtime Potsquatch, has sent us a little care package as well. Let's get into it and see what he sent us.
Here we go. All right, let's get in there. All right.
There we go. We are in. All right. Let's see what magical mystery tour awaits us in this wonderful, wonderful care package from Johnny Summertime. All right, we got them out there.
Oh, I don't believe we've got some little beanies here. We got the, trying to read your handwriting there. We got a Puff Gelato by Cap'n Kush. We got a Puffo Gelato on its own. We got the Puffo Gelato by Grape Fritter. Ooh, very fancy. We got the BC Cheese by Strawberry Mac. Or by Strawberry Miracle Alien Cookies. And we got the BC Cheese by Black Gelato. All right. And then BC Cheese by Slow and Sweet. My goodness, my friends, we got a bunch of wonderful fun things to play with here, and I'll tell you, I'm pretty excited. We're gonna have to wait to the next run to maybe try some of these. I won't lie to you, part of me is kind of excited to maybe even try either the, yeah, they all sound pretty good there. We'll leave it for another date there, just to figure out what we're doing, but hey, Johnny Summertime, thank you, my friend. It is much appreciated, and I just want to say again, it's all of you at home that have provided me the support and inspired me to find the strength to build the channel again, to get things going again, and to try my darndest to keep it squatchy. And the fact is, it's kind gestures like that, the kind messages and emails all of you have been sending and reaching out to me that mean the world to me, and thank you ever so much. Johnny Summertime, we're going to play with a few of these on the next run. You know we will there. So, anyway, everybody, thank you for liking and subscribing. Thank you for tuning in to this little unboxing video. If you like this channel, like, subscribe, tell your friends. Check out PotsquatchSales.com, our store that's not currently open, but will be open soon. We just need to get our stuff back out of the house. Remember, the true grower is not afraid to take risks. The true grower makes educated, stupid decisions. Keep an open mind, keep it learning, keep it evolving. And remember, a little bit of compassion goes a very long way. Love yourselves, love your plants, love each other. Peace out!